Let's face reality. Whenever you're looking to make money on the internet, I would advise you go for affiliate marketing. And that's because affiliate marketing seems to be one of the widest industry. Imagine an industry that is worth over $17 billion. That's enough money to go around. And if you're looking for a sure business, it is affiliate marketing. But why are people complaining that it is hard? Well, in this video, I'm going to take you on a journey on why you may fail as an affiliate marketer. And at the end, you will discover the things you need to avoid so you actually get it right as an affiliate marketer. Just recently, through my social media handle, I've been able to see a lot of people with so much complaint about how the affiliate marketing business is not working for them. A lot of them go a long way to even say it's a scam. Some people go a long way to say it is not a notable business. Some of them has written it off, some of them has given up. But if you watch this video to the end, there are things that will revive that business for you. In case you are already an affiliate who has given up, this video is for you. And if you are someone who is looking forward to start, pay attention to these things I'm about to share with you, because it will help you start well and actually scale up faster when you have these secrets that people have not been able to share with you for a long while. The very first reason why you may fail in affiliate marketing is the get-rich-quick mindset. If you go with the get-rich-quick mindset, you are going to fail. Some of you joined affiliate marketing just because you saw a screenshot posted by some top affiliates who have been in the game for over 2 years, who have been in the game for over 1 year, and you were triggered to join because you saw the screenshot and you're motivated. Now, the mindset was wrong. The reason why it was wrong is because you actually came not prepared. You just came because you saw people making money through it. You didn't carry out your research. You didn't know the procedure. And then you came with that get-rich-quick mindset, thinking that in the first 1 week of coming, you will make money. It will shock you. Well, I'm not trying to laugh at you. I'm just spilling the fact. And that's because if you go with this mindset of trying to get money quick through affiliate marketing, it is going to be a waste of time and energy. Now, the truth behind affiliate marketing is there are some necessary things you need to put in place as you come on board. And that leads me to the second one on my list, which is lack of product knowledge. Now, if you're an affiliate already and you're struggling with your affiliate business, this is one of the reasons why you're struggling. You lack the awareness of a product you are promoting. You do not have an idea, a complete idea of the product you're promoting. You have not taken your time to research to know what the person who is buying from you is actually getting in this product. And so you just decided to market it because every other person is marketing it. It is wrong, and you are going to struggle. I'm telling you the fact. Now, you do not do everything because everybody is doing it. There are things you just need to sit and relax and ask yourself some questions, get some ideas from your own personal experience, and actually take your time to study these things you want to sell. Now, if I'm to sell this wristwatch and I don't know the functions, it is going to be a struggle for me because I don't even know the functions. I need to know the color of this wristwatch. I need to know what is inside. I need to know what it can do before I can be able to put it out there for sale. So if you lack knowledge of a product you are actually trying to sell to people, you are going to struggle, because by the time questions are asked, you are not going to be able to respond to those questions. And that exposes how desperate you are to actually make sales, and people will always run away from you when you show desperation. Number 3, lack of copywriting skills. If you're an affiliate marketer, that's not just enough. If you do not have a copywriting skills where you actually know how the emotions of human mind connect and how to actually make them buy what you're selling by learning how to create offers and actually pushing it to their face and making them take action, you are likely going to struggle, because copywriting is the act of selling with words. It's a skill that turns a business around. And if you're just there wondering what copywriting is, I have a video right here that taught the A to B of copywriting, and you can join our copywriting conference, a school where I personally hold your hands on a copywriting journey for 10 days, and you learn copywriting and how to create offers that make people buy your product. So if you lack the skills of copywriting as an affiliate marketer, you will not know how to craft offers that people are going to take action upon. Now, whenever you're going to get something in the restaurant, do you always find the fried rice and the fried chicken you later got together? No, the rice are always different. So if you're going to pay for the rice, at the later end, if you want the chicken, it's also a separate money. Now, rice is the product, and then the offers are the fried chicken you later attach to it, plus the bottle of water and every other thing you added to that rice. The rice is a product, and the offers are the chicken, the water, and every other thing that makes up the rice. So if you are actually an affiliate marketer, you need to learn copywriting and have the skills, know how to create offers around the product you're selling, so that you are able to get people to take action. It is something you learn within a short period of time. So go to the description of this video and get access to our copywriting conference. I'll be waiting to have you there. So moving on to number 4 is lack of consistency. Take for instance the ShopRite, the supermarkets around you. Do you not see that every day they get to open the shop? Don't you understand the code? They are consistent in what they are doing. So what about you, who is just today and you will not be here tomorrow, and the next time we'll see you is in the next 4 years, and you think you're doing business? No, you don't have to appear this week and next week you're nowhere to be found, and then next upper week nobody is seeing you, and the next 3 weeks you're back. Man, people are not going to take you serious. This is one of the reasons why you may fail in affiliate marketing. So you take care of that and make sure you are showing up on a daily basis. Even when you're not making sales, come up and talk about your business, show them the importance, and make sure you are consistently doing it. Everybody who is into affiliate marketing knows that even if you deposit 2 hours of your time, it is something that will yield you increase and yield you good results. So 2 hours daily is not something huge out of the 24 hours we have allocated to us by God Almighty. So it's something you should actually give your time to, because it is something we grow in. You need to give all out and grow in it. But if you don't want to grow, that's left for you. But for me, I'm going to give my time to it because it is worth it. I hope you're learning something in this video. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. That's the only way we get encouraged and do more videos for you and for the benefit of your business. So I want to know, are you a struggling affiliate? Tell us your challenge in the comment box. I would like to attend to you immediately. So go on ahead and tell us what you're facing right now in your affiliate marketing business. Moving on to number 5 is lack of traffic generation. Now, one of the things you should know about affiliate marketing is that it is a game of number. The higher number that gets to see your business, the higher chances you get to get people who are going to buy your product. If you're not getting people who are actually seeing your business on a daily basis, it will shock you. And I mean, you will fail in flying colors. So it's better you learn this today. Generation of traffic, whether organic traffic or paid traffic, is a must. You must be able to look for people who are coming to learn about your business. This is one way people have failed in affiliate marketing. They thought it's something to just come and boom, they start making sales. Well, these are the 5 things you need to take care of if you don't want to fail in affiliate marketing business. I hope what you have learned in this video is helpful. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell icon, so that each time we make a very beautiful video and informative one at that, you will be the first to get notified by YouTube. Go on ahead right now, hit the subscribe button, and also like this video, share it to an affiliate around you. It is going to save him a lot of troubles. Thank you for watching, and just like I said to my student, I'm going to say to you, chase knowledge first.